Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R, and let me share with you how to check the battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the battery option. So let's tap on the battery, and as you can see right here, we've got the battery percentage option, so we do not have to enter any other options to find it. And basically, if you've got the same situation just like I have, so I've got only the battery indicator on the status bar, then all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, actually immediately the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will be displayed next to the battery icon. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.